uko na unyani.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Nzolani Agatha. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a channel subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. So today it's on a Sunday on 23rd, 23rd of, is it March or April? March. So it's currently at 7. I want to prepare breakfast, then make some fries with you guys, cause guess what, you're going for a hike stroke picnic at Ngong Hills. So I'm going to show you the snacks that you're going to carry, and fries is one of them. So I want to make fries first, cause that's the only thing that it's undone. Then from there we're going to get ready and head out. I'm going to take you guys with me every step of the way. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's start this video. here are the things that I'll be carrying. The first thing are those fries, the one that I cooked. There's some kachumbari, then there is tomato sauce, there's some serviettes, those are cookies, crepes, biscuit and cake, soda and water. Those are the things that we'll be carrying. Yeah. So at this point we have already started moving. We are on the road. This is I'm not sure the correct name, but we are heading to Ngong Road because we are going to Ngong Hills. So enjoy the video. I'll talk to you So this is the road that takes you to Ngong Hills. When you are in Ngong town, in the roundabout, you'll take the road on your right, then just go straight without any diversion. So this is the road. You'll find a police station on your right and a hospital on your left, but you'll see a signpost telling you Ngong 3 kilometers. That it means that Ngong Hills is 3 kilometers. So the signpost will be on your left past the police station, and here it is. This the signpost saying Ngong 3 kilometers. So this is where you turn and just go straight, no turning. You'll start seeing the treadmills as you continue going further, but this is the road. It's not so smooth, yeah, but it's adventurous. This point we have already passed the gate where you pay. Adults per head it's 232 shillings if you are a Kenyan citizen. If you are a non-residential, it's around 600, if I'm not sure. I am not so sure. So yeah, we have already arrived at Ngong Hills. So this is the view, and maybe we haven't climbed any hill, but the road is up and down, so you get the illusion that you have already started the hike, but in real sense you haven't started any hike. So we managed to climb only 2 hills. The second hill was so steep, very steep, but you'll see as the video continues. So guys, I've already arrived at Ngong Hills. It's currently 12:43 p.m. Yeah, and the views are so fine. So this side is the Suswa side, and the other side is the Ngong side. So here the treadmills, they are making so much noise, and they are so big, very big. So yeah, the views are viewing. So that was my outfit of the day, because I've just remembered I didn't show you. Yeah, so I was wearing that 2-piece, and this is where we are starting our hike. And this is not a first hill, this is just a road that will take you to the first hill. Yeah, so there is where we are heading. On the way we found some people, they were there, but most of the people, they reached the first hill and just sat there. Others went back, but we were so few that continued to the second hill. So this is the road to the first hill. As you can see, the road is up and down, and we saw that we were so far before we reached the first hill, but you'll see as the video continues. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure you guys visit Ngong Hills as well. It's so calm and it's a nice nature walk. Yeah, you can just go there and be alone with your mind, if that makes sense. This is the first hill. Ndio tunaenda kwanza kupanda mlima. Hatuwezi fika kwa ile ingine, tutafika kwa hii ya pili. Ni ile mlima kupanda na magoti. Nakwambia na kupanda na magoti kwa sababu cost. Hapa hivi bedhe tunaweza fanya. Hello. Niambia hello alafu inanikujia na pembe. Kwa nini taki? Ndaka tuanze kutoana mbio hapa. Hey. The views. Hey you. Woo! So I have already finished the first hill. This is the second hill, and as you can see, the hill is so steep. I stopped around 3 times to catch my breath, and when I arrived at the top, I just laid down because I needed to catch my breath, and yeah, it was fun. Metoka kule. Yeah. I've made it down here. I'm from there. This thing is steep. What? So I saw this treadmill cycling, and I used them as a skipping rope. I needed to catch my breath, and nilikuwa na hema, so I decided to jump. After the hike, we were so hungry, and I carried my blanket. Now I was just setting it up. I used stones to at the edge because it was so windy. So I prepared everything, I let them all out, and after I was finished serving, the wind was too much and we didn't manage to sit there to eat, because if we would have seated there we could have catched a cold, so we didn't sit there. But here's the I'll show you the layout, how I arranged everything. Guys, we're back home and the hike was successful and the picnic was not 100% successful, but it was fun. The wind, it was too much, but yeah, we enjoyed. So we did a little haul. Let's unpack it together. So we got some eggs. Then some cooking oil. We got some stevia. This classic lavender. Relax. A water bottle. This mixed fruit juice, and this savannah pineapple, rosy hand wash, these wipes, got a gillette. Then these are for insects. Got a couple of them. And some toothpicks. Then this brookside mala, Farmer's Choice smokies, this beef chipolatas, gold punch. I'm a fan of Prestige, but this time I went with this nut butter, plain yogurt for making yogurt, this toothpaste, some tomato paste, this cheese, it's called cheddar. Cheddar cheese. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Some more tomato paste. Mavis chai masala, this tuzo, popcorns, this flour, I've got the pembe one and the doner. Then wheat flour and sugar and more tomato paste. And that's it. At the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.